These tiny bees are a breeze to make with just a few pipe cleaners each, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need one black, one white, and one yellow pipe cleaner, a pencil, something with a thin handle such as a skinny paintbrush, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Cut both the black and the yellow pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Hold a yellow and a black half together and hold the end against a pencil. Now wrap them together around the pencil, one coil right next to the other one, close together but not overlapping. Slide the coil off the pencil. Use the other black half to make the head in this stinger. Hold one end against the skinny handle of a paintbrush and wrap it around about 4 or 5 times. Leave the tail long enough to go through the body of the bee and leave about 1/4 of an inch sticking out at the end to make the stinger. Insert the tail through the bee body and then tighten the very last coil around the stinger just to hold everything in place. Cut the white pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Thread one of the halves through a top coil on the bee's body just a little ways from the head. Bend the sides up and then coil each one down in an oblong shape to make the bee's wings. The last coil should just hit the top of the bee's body. Do the same thing on the other side. The last step is to use thick white craft glue to glue on googly eyes. When the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week. There's plenty of pipe cleaner projects and other great ideas.